I earn around 50,000 this month, only this month, by selling this kind of AI UGC ads. These are AI generated UGC videos. And the crazy part is, brands are actually using videos like this for their ads. They only care about one thing: does this video sell the product or not? You can easily sell this kind of videos 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, up to 50,000. So if you're a housewife, a student, or someone who just want to earn money by sitting at home and by doing 5 to 6 minutes every day, then this is for you, because this takes only 10 minutes to generate this kind of videos. And brands are really ready to pay 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, up to 60,000 to this kind of ads. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create videos like this, even if you have never ever made UGC content before. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sweetie. And in this channel, we talk about UGC content creation, AI tools, content creation strategies, freelancing, and different ways creators, housewife, and student can build online income. Today's video is one of the most requested topic. Every day, people ask question like, can AI create UGC videos? Can beginners do AI UGC? Do brands actually buy AI UGC? Which AI tools should I use? So instead of making a short tutorial, I decided to create a complete roadmap for you. So here's it. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what AI UGC actually is, best AI tools and free AI tools, complete step-by-step workflow, editing tips, where to sell AI UGC, pricing, and beginner mistakes as well. And by the end of the video, you will understand the entire process from writing the script to generating the AI creator, editing the video, and finally finding the clients. Don't skip the videos and don't miss any process, because this is going to be our flow videos. This will be in step by step. So you have to follow from step one to the last step. Okay. And in the last, I'm going to show you where people are actually selling this kind of videos. एंड वन मोर एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, जिस वे से मैं आपको एआई वीडियोस कैसे जनरेट करते हैं, कैसे सेल करते हैं, लाइक जनरेशन टू सेलिंग तक जो भी प्रोसेस है वो बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। ना तो आपको किसी भी एआई ऐप की सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की नीड है, ना ही सेल करने के लिए कहीं भी पे करने की नीड है। बिफोर वी डाइव इनटू द ट्यूटोरियल, आई रियली वांट टू शेयर समथिंग विद यू. When I heard about AI UGC, I thought it is just another trend. But I was thinking brand would never trust AI over the real creator. But after researching the industry and experimenting with a lots of tools, I realized something interesting. Brands don't buy videos because a creator is famous. Brands buy videos because those videos help them sell products. AI generated videos looks natural, feels authentic, and grabs attention. Many brands are perfectly happy to use it. That's why AI UGC has grown so quickly. Now the question is, how AI UGC different from the traditional UGC? Let's see the difference between both of them. UGC, here where AI changes everything. Like you just have to generate AI UGC ads from AI tools. That's all. But in traditional UGC, you need real creator, camera, tripod, lighting, retakes, editing, uploading, client revisions, and hours of work and hard work. AI, just you have to write a script, generate avatar, generate voices, and export, and then that creator can speak your script naturally. It can smile, change facial expression, use different accents, and even speak multiple languages like Hindi, English, Spanish, French, lots of languages. Now you know what is AI UGC is. And here's the biggest question: how to generate. And this is biggest mistake also for the beginners, because what they do, they go to the YouTube and search best AI UGC tool, and suddenly they find 50 plus options. For example, here's in Synthesia, Runway, 11 Labs, Kling, Pika, View, ChatGPT, and many more are there. At this point, most people get confused. They think, do I need all this tool? Do you have to pay for all of them? No. Honestly, you don't need a 20 plus AI tools. You just need only right tool for the right steps. That's all. So let me show you complete workflow. Step one will be writing a script, then generating the avatar, then creating b-roll, editing everything, and export and deliver to the client. First, we need a product image. For that, we'll go to Google. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Cetaphil General Skin Cleanser. So I will search for that and download a high quality image. Make sure it's clear because I will use it throughout the ad. Need the product specification. For that, open the product page, go to all section, or you can use the official website also. Copy all the details. Here you will find the ingredient, benefits, and key features. Now we'll go to ChatGPT and paste this specification and write this prompt. I'm going to make a 30-second UGC ad for this product. Give me a premium ad script. So within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete UGC advertisement script for you. Now we need an AI model so that we can generate ad. We'll use AI model for generating the ad. So go to Pinterest and search for AI model or AI UGC model. Here we'll find plenty of realistic AI model images. Choose any of that, whichever fits to your product. Next, upload the AI image to ChatGPT. Then paste your script and ask, generate scene by scene images for this UGC ad. Sometimes what happens, ChatGPT generates all the scenes together. So if that happens with you also, simply ask generate scene one separately. Like that, you have to repeat for scene 2, 3, and the remaining scenes until you have every images individually. Now it's time to turn those images into videos. So again, we'll go to ChatGPT and upload the scene first scene image and ask generate an image to video prompt for this scene. Like that, you have to ask. Since we generated every scene separately, we'll also generate a separate animation prompt for each scene, like for scene one, scene two, scene three, scene four. We have to repeat the same process. And if you want any of the prompt, just comment me down. I will send you. Now open Google Flow, upload the scene image, paste the animation prompt, and start generating the video. Google Flow may ask you a few questions before generating the clip. Just choose the option based on your preference. Like it will ask for some voiceover, it will give you some option which voiceover you want to have in your ad. And here's the bonus tip: if you have a geo number, you can claim 18 months of Google AI Pro for free. That's what I am doing. I'm generating all these videos without paying anything because I have geo number. Then just click generate, and within a few seconds our first scene is ready. It looks amazing, right? Now the exact same process for the remaining scene, like for scene 2, scene 3, and 4. By the end, you will have every part of your UGC advertisement ready. Finally, use the built-in editor, which is in Google Flow only. You don't have to go any app or any other website. Arrange all your generated scenes in order. Trim them if needed. Split or merge clips. You can add transition if you want. Anything you can do. Once everything looks good for you, like now it's good for me, simply export your video, and that's it. You have just created complete AI generated UGC advertisement without filming yourself. Just take a look.
If your face feels tight right after washing it, your cleanser might be the problem. Hydrate as you cleanse to soothe and soften. It contains niacinamide B5 and glycerin to lock in moisture.
Congratulations, you have just created your first free AI UGC video. One of the biggest mistake beginners make is they trying to find clients before they have anything to show them. One question. Imagine you are a graphic designer. So who would you change? First one who says I can do this, I can do this, I can make this, or second one who shows you 10 best designs. Same logic applies here. Before you send a single message to any brands, first you have to create your small portfolio. Create at least 5 to 10 AI UGC ads before pitching to anyone. Now let's talk about the question everyone asks. Where do you actually find the clients? First one is Instagram. Thousands of small businesses actively post on Instagram every day. Many of them have great products but weak video content like skincare, clothing, jewelry, fitness, home decor, tech accessories, many more. The second one is LinkedIn. Marketing managers, founder, e-commerce brand, search for them. Like most beginners ignore LinkedIn, but that's where you will often find founders, marketing managers, and startup owners who are actively looking for creative talent. Third one is freelance platform, Fiverr, Upwork, and Contra. This platform can help you find clients, but remember, competition is really high here. A strong portfolio, clear communication, and consistent delivery are what help you stand out over time. The main question is how to pitch the brands. And this is the point where many beginners get confused and the novice also know what to say to the brands. They many of them say, "Hi, can I get the collaborations?" Don't say like this. Write a small email, for example, "Hi, your brand name or your name. I really liked your recent product projects. I am an AI UGC creator and I have already created a sample concept for your product. I would love to help you create engaging short form video ads for your social media. If you are interested, I would be happy to share my portfolio. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you." Did you notice something? These words are not begging for any work. We are just offering a solution to the brands. One more thing, when it's come to pricing, I'm giving you a average and assumption what I am charging and what I am doing. Okay, this is nothing fixed pricing. Like if you're a beginner, you have to charge 5,000. No, it depends on your creativity, your editing, and what content you're offering and your portfolio. How much you can charge as a beginner, intermediate, and expert level. The first one is beginner. You can charge up to 5,000 per short video. And as an intermediate and you have multiple clients projects, then you can easily ask for 10,000 up to 10,000. And on advanced level or expert level, you have performance focused ads, premium editing, and users' rights, monthly retainers. Then, of course, you can earn up to 50,000. And before you start a pitching brand, let me save you from some mistakes which I say beginners make again and again. Mistake number first, waiting for the perfect tool. I would suggest don't spend weeks comparing software, start creating. Mistake number two, using robotic scripts. People connect with conversation, right? Not corporate language. If you're generating from any tools, make it natural. Mistake number third, ignoring product research. This is really important. If you don't understand the audience, your ad won't connect to them. Mistake number four, sending generic messages. Don't do personalize every outreach. Mistake number five, giving up after a few rejections. You have to be patient, okay? Freelancing is a number game. Some brands won't reply, some will say no. That's part of the process. Mistake number six, hiding your work. Don't do. Post your AI UGC videos, share behind the scenes, build trust by showing your process, okay? Let's quickly recap everything we have covered today. What AI UGC is, how AI UGC differs from traditional UGC, choosing the right tools, writing stronger scripts, creating AI avatars, editing the final video, building a portfolio, finding clients, pricing your services, avoiding beginners' mistakes. I hope this masterclass gave you a clear roadmap to start creating AI UGC videos. If it helped you, consider subscribing because I will be sharing more practical tutorial on AI UGC tools, UGC workflows, content creation, and freelancing. And if you are a housewife, student, or anyone who wants to earn money by sitting at home, then please go and visit my channel. I would love to hear from you. What's the first AI UGC project you are planning to create after watching this video? Leave a comment below and I will do my best to reply.